Hi, this is Jody. Welcome to Northern Country Creations. And I'm out here in my shop today. And if you don't know much about my Northern Country Creations, my creations is not only junk journals, but it is also refurbishing and flipping per se items and recreating old to new. So I'm sorry, but I'm not using a tripod out in my garage. So I'm using my hand to hold my phone. So hopefully you don't mind, but I wanted to show you this project. I got this at actually a Goodwill, and it is like a mail organizer, and it's wood, solid wood. Although I want to show you, it has a big old crack in it on the side, and the green sticker underneath was like $6.99, and I'm like, hey, look, man, this is broke. I mean, you can see it here. It's totally broke all the way down, but I know how to refurbish furniture and whatnot, so they marked it down to $1.99. So in this video, I'm going to show you if I know how to put two videos together, but I will videotape how I am going to fix this and turn it into an ephemera holder. So this will be wonderful because you can put all different types, size ephemera cards and whatnot in these slots, and it's nice, and I think I'll be able to fit it on a shelf in my craft room. So, and I actually found two of these. So, so stay tuned and learn how I can recreate something new out of something old, and just like my journals. And so, hope you enjoy this video. Thanks.